It all begins with a plant. Tobacco is carefully grown in large fields, where its leaves slowly develop the qualities needed for cigarette production. Once the plants are mature, the leaves are carefully harvested. Timing matters, because the quality of the final tobacco starts right here. After harvesting, the leaves enter the curing stage. Controlled heat and airflow gradually remove moisture and transform the fresh green leaves into their familiar golden brown color. Every cured leaf is inspected before it moves forward. Leaves are graded according to their quality, condition, and suitability for further processing.
Look at the color on this one. Perfect grade. Another one for the A pile. Needs a bit more cure.
The cured tobacco now reaches the factory. Here, a highly controlled industrial process begins, turning agricultural material into a standardized product. The leaves are mechanically separated from their thick stems. This leaves behind the tobacco material that will eventually be cut and prepared for blending. Next, the tobacco leaves are shredded into thin, uniform strands. This increases consistency and allows the tobacco to be evenly distributed during cigarette production. Different tobacco varieties can now be blended together. The goal is to create a consistent mixture with controlled characteristics from batch to batch. The tobacco may then receive a controlled casing treatment. This helps manage its moisture and processing characteristics before it enters the cigarette making stage. Before manufacturing begins, the tobacco blend undergoes another quality inspection. Consistency is critical because every cigarette must meet the same production specifications. A cigarette may look simple, but it is made from several precisely prepared components: shredded tobacco, specialized paper, filter material, and tipping paper. Now the real transformation begins. Inside this high-speed machine, tobacco, paper, and filter components come together in a continuous automated process. The tobacco is enclosed inside the cigarette paper, forming one continuous cigarette rod. From here, the machine can produce individual cigarettes at remarkable speed. Filter sections are precisely positioned and attached to the cigarette rod. At this stage, the basic structure of the finished cigarette is complete. But production does not simply end here. Automated inspection systems scan the cigarettes for defects, checking consistency at high speed. Once approved, the cigarettes are automatically counted and grouped. This precise arrangement prepares them for the final packaging process. Finally, the packaged cigarettes leave the factory and enter the distribution network, moving through warehouses and transportation systems toward retail stores. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.